getting multiple reviews, and this is really, really important. And for a lot of businesses, it shouldn't be difficult to get reviews. And the reason why is when you have people coming into your business, you should get printed up either on business cards or on little postcards that don't cost anything hardly anymore to print up, and that can say anything on it, but basically the core of the message needs to be, you know, if if you like the way we served you today, could you please go to our Google Places listing and have the link there and say please provide a quality review, because the more reviews you get, it seems that the higher the rankings are. Now that doesn't always match up, but what one thing for certain is that the more rankings that you have, the more valuable rankings that you have, and they don't have to be all 5-star, just honest to goodness rankings. The one thing you don't want to do is fake rankings, and Google's way too smart for that. If you have an employee at your office sit there and put in a bunch of reviews, they'll know that they're bogus, and you'll get penalized big time for that. And the reason that they know that is because it'll come from the same IP address. So you do not want to do that. You want to have legitimate customers leaving legitimate reviews, and that's going to help you climb up in the rankings. So make sure you don't fake reviews, but make sure you have them. And there's a lot of different things you can do. The postcards, business cards, simply just asking them. If you have an email list, which everybody should have, hint hint, send an email to all your customers asking them to provide you a review on your Google Places listings.
What are citations and why you need them? Why are reviews so important? Where to find the best sources for citations? How to quickly create citations, and where to find citation sources? First question to ask is, what are citations? Citations are mention of your website from other trusted online sources. So Google considers a citation any mention of your business name, address, and phone number from another local online directory. So this could be Yellow Pages Online, it could be a local business directory, the Chamber of Commerce website, another industry website, etc. So Google confirms a business brand by how many other websites mention your place. So the more times your business is mentioned from another trusted source, the more Google confirms your brand and the better rankings you'll get. So citations must be exactly the same to be effective. So create a uniform NAP is extremely important. So your NAP is your name, address, and phone number. The name must be exactly the same as seen in your printed version of your listing. So this is what is on your business license. This is what is on your menus. It's on your storefront. Your business address must be local and complete. So to include the street, postal, or zip code, and the city and state and or province. The telephone must be a local phone number, and that must be consistent everywhere. So if you have a separate phone number for reservation system or for customer service, you can add that later on, but your main local telephone number must be the same everywhere. Now, online sources for citations are business websites, it could be suppliers website, associations. So if you're part of a association, it could be also national directories like the Super Pages, Yellowbot, Dexnose, Merchant Circle, etc. It could be directories like HomeStars, which is a directory of contractors and trade association, national like the dentist directory or national association websites. It could be from your local Better Business Bureau or Chamber of Commerce. It could be social media like Facebook, Yelp, or Foursquares. It could be also local directories. A lot of cities and towns have local directories, or there could be one based on industries. It could also be reviews websites and online classified websites like Craigslist or Kijiji. Reviews as a citation source. Reviews provide insight for your target market. They provide traffic, backlink, and social proof, but it does not affect your Google Places listing position because reviews can be manipulated, and Google will list them, but they will not be a very high source for citations. But having genuine reviews from satisfied customers will help your sales if those reviews can be found. So once those reviews are posted and found, people will make their buying decision on whether or not to visit your shop and buy your products and services based on the reviews they find online. So you can inform your current customers of where they can post their reviews. Ask for reviews, and to do this you can ask or bribe your clients for to write reviews on your Google Places. So giving 20% off or a free appetizer for a review is a great way to get started. You need at least 5 reviews on Google to get a star rating. So your goal should be to at least get 5 reviews to start. Give out comment cards and have those entered on your business website. You can't enter reviews and comments on your Google listing because that has to be done online, but if they're given to you and you have permission, you can enter those reviews on your business website. Now, creating your citation. The citation will consist mostly of your NAP, name, address, phone number, your website address, your email address, business categories, descriptions, tags and or keywords, and images or videos, including your logo. So you'll also be, in some instances, asked to add your hours, price range, and include a reservation system if you have one of those. So the best way to start is to create a text or Word document and save it as citations.txt or doc, because you'll be using that document a lot. You enter all your information that you'll need to create your citations: your NAP, website and email addresses, description and keywords, etc. Links to images and videos. So once you've uploaded your images and videos to the internet on YouTube and other places, you'll have a link that you can quickly paste to the Citations website. So here I have a citation text file. At the top I have the map, and then right below that I've added the website, the business website, business email address. I've added a password here because a lot of them will ask for a password. So I create one, I post it on there, and I just copy and paste everything. Same with the categories, description, my tags, and below that I have links for where I've put my images on Flickr for my logo, my office facade, and a picture of patients, and also I've added the links for a few videos. So once I start creating citations, all I will have to do is copy and paste from this text file to the website I'm creating a citation on. So let's start by creating a citation. We'll use Merchant Circle as an example, but you can use the same process on every citation website. So here, to get started, you can either enter your phone number and click on the Get Started button, or you can sign up on the right hand corner. So here we are starting. It says Get Started, click on that, and the first thing we need to do is to register the business name. So we can copy and paste from our citations text the business name, the phone, the street address, and in this case the business zip code. Also, we'll create a Merchant Circle ID by entering a first and last name, email address. You re-enter your email address, and in this instance I copied and pasted the password. Then what we need to do is to create business information. So we're asked to enter the business website address, the description, hours of operation, our keywords, which is our tags, and then the payments accepted. So again, we just copy and paste from our list. So once we have that, we can copy and paste fairly quickly, and it can be done really quickly. On the right hand side, you will see what the listing will look like. So we have the description first, and then we have the business website, the hours, the tags, and at the bottom is a payment accepted. Then we're asked to upload a picture for our logo in this case, so we'll add from our computer. Sometimes they might ask for a online location, or they might ask you to choose a file. So you have optimized images in your images folder, so just choose a file from there, and then you can add build your network by adding email address of your contacts. So you could email address of your customers if you wanted to, or other business associations that you have. And that's it. Once you finish, you're given the option here to upgrade your account. At this time, I do not suggest that you upgrade your account. The cost is usually not worth the effort. You will receive plenty of traffic from free listings and from your Google Places listing as well. So here we have what it looks like. You can ask your customers to give you reviews on websites like Merchant Circle, because a lot of times they'll be ranked by highest ratings or most reviewed. So you can click a review, write a review, or ask your customers to write reviews for you. So where do you create your citations? The first thing you need to do is to find out where your competitors are getting their citations. In this case here, if we look on a Google Places listing for one of our competitors, we find that reviews are posted on a website called ratemds.com. So we'll enter that into a list, and we'll also ask our clients to create reviews for us on ratereviews.com. And also here we can see that this business has been reviewed on homestars.com, and you can search Google also locally to find influential websites. So here on the third page of Google, I found a listing on yellowpages.ca and on yellownet.com. So we'll try to add our citations on those websites as well. So review the list of citation websites included at the bottom of this video. So there's a PDF below this video where you can find a list of about 20 at this time sources for citation.